very excited to report that this evening is our recruitment open house at Little Rock Central High School, where we invite parents who are in our district, who are not in our district, who have eighth graders, who are looking to find the perfect school for ninth grade. And of course, we think that Central is the perfect school. We have all types of booths and tables set up so parents can find out about all our academics, our clubs, our athletics. We even have a room, I'm not allowed in the room. We even have a room that's just kids, where kids can go in and ask kids what's the real scoop on Central High. Anyway, we're excited to have an evening like this, and we sent out letters to invite everybody, and I just feel like it's going to be great.
Hi, my name is Lamas Patath. I'm the current Student Body Vice President of Little Rock Central High School. And I love Central for a multitude of reasons, but primarily, I love how diverse this school is. I moved here, and by here, I mean Arkansas, 3 years ago, and I have become so ingrained within this community because of how welcoming and how different everybody is. There is somebody for everybody. There are different clubs, there are different activities. Every niche that you could possibly fit into, you have somewhere to fit into at Central.